guys, we're back. We're gonna start building some shelves here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these little things, make them look like a desk drawer for a filing cabinet, and do it like that, and then like that, and like this, and it's gonna look like a filing cabinet once I get it done. Just gonna keep going on this. Boom, boom, boom. See? Like a filing cabinet. Now this little beauty, move this out of the way for a minute so you can see where it goes. And of course it isn't. It's out. Make sure this is all together because I'm going to stand this up like that. And there you go. Ta-da. Right in there. Makes it look like a filing cabinet. And then I'm going to take these, put them in like this, put this one in like that. That's going to go here. And then I'm going to take this. Together. And of course it's going to be a pain in the butt. No, it's like a, yep, I can't open it all the way because it's just stupid. But that's okay because you get the idea. And this goes right there, like that. I think these are supposed to go together. I think so. So let me pull this up and move this over to there. That went flying off like I thought it would. And we'll put that right back there. And voila. You have this and this, filing cabinets, refrigerator, you know, the usual. Alright, on to the next bit of little instructions. I'll see you in the next video. Alright, LEGO Fanatics. We are back again. We are going to do this. I'm actually going to add some surface to this one, so I'm just going to take these and start putting them down here. I need this one here. Not there. Here. There we go. A little bit of pressure. And this one's going to go on the outside. This one is going to go where? Right there. Okay. This one's going to go here. This one's going to go here. Okay. Now, I'm going to build a tray with donuts on it. See the donuts here on this tray. And that's where the donuts are going to be. So, the donuts are going to sit here, and they're going to be right off the thing, like that. Okay. I'll show you in a minute what I'm doing there. I mean, unless you can't see it, but you should be able to because it's right in here. Okay, so now I'm going to build this coffee pot. So we'll put this on here. Like that, that's the coffee pot, and you'll see when I get the rest of this built. Okay, so this goes here, like that, okay. And this little thing right here goes down like that. Okay, I need a tool. I have these neat tools that I bought to help me do this without ruining my fingers. That looks pretty straight, doesn't it? That's pretty cool, isn't it? Little coffee pot there. Put this over here for a second. This goes right, whoop, like this. Make it straight. Okay, there we go. And this goes here, that, oops. Gotta be difficult, everything's gotta be difficult. Okay, so I've got that part, okay? Now I'm gonna show you, because I'm gonna build the cooler, and this would be even better. So I need this one, and this one to connect together, like that. And I'm gonna put this dome on here, like this. This one on here, like that, okay? And then I'm gonna put this on here in the center. This little claw piece is gonna go right there, like that. And then this will go on here. I'm gonna put this right here for a minute because I'm going to build okay, so we're gonna build this thing out. It's the nozzle that's gonna go and cover all this stuff. So I'm gonna put this like, and again, everything's gonna come apart. Let's try this one more time. So this is gonna go here. This will go down here, like that, okay? And this is gonna go upside down, like that. And you want it like this. And then I'm gonna take this part, I'm gonna put this on top, there, like that. And then I'm going to take this piece and put it here. I'm going to take this piece and put it here, like that. Okay, and then this part, this piece right here is going to sit right here. I can get it to sit. There we go. Water cooler. So, see it? Water cooler. And then there's the place for donuts and coffee. Okay? Alright, so that's part of that. And that's done. And I will see you in the next video.